Join us as we walk out here today in this 102-degree weather. Please give me a like on this one. Now down here, we've had otter, beavers, egrets, what was the other? Herons. We got a lot of different kind of birds that come down here throughout the year. Today though, it's a hot day. We do have a little bit of water down here. A lot more than up there. Seashells in the rocks. A lot more are showing up now because every time we get a nice rain and a lot of water comes through it, it knocks off the top layer of this rock. Whew. Eventually this is all just going to cave in. It's gotten deeper over the years. You can see the iron built up in there. That's all over the place. There'll be holes down there. Looks like a Martian landing or something. This stuff down there is slick. It will bust your butt. You have shoes to wear out here when there's water and you can walk across it, or sandals. They grip better. I like to walk around along the side to see if I can find any new fossils or anything cool. You can see how the water just runs down here, eats up everything. There's some fish in there. There'll be ones. Flowing pretty good all year round, or more than this. This is dry, so I've seen it. And there's our first ball. Got little baby frogs. A whole bunch of them. They're popping everywhere. Coming up to the swampy area up here. Usually holds water all year round. Not deep, but it's the beaver's home. And now it's dry. So all this is usually water right here. And I'll show you in the video. Not very deep. It goes back a little ways back there. And so usually all year round it stays as a swamp for the beavers. As you can tell, this is their territory. This trail is usually all underwater. Sometimes you can walk it in this time of year. It's really been dry back here for a little while. Alright, so this would be the deepest spots right here. Dang. It's been a while since I've been out here, so we'll get water back at her again. But I guess this is the deepest spot. There's a trail right there. So water would come up to about my waist, I guess. That's right here. Ooh, something coming. That's another trail to come in. A couple years ago, we saw the little frogs. They were all down here. Right down by the big creek. Like stepping stones. It has all worn down. I think some of it was natural. I think the beavers kind of helped out the rest of the way. I think that's the way they travel. Because right back this way, over here, which I'm not going to even attempt to crawl back that way, how the water goes, is one of the beavers' dens. Right back a little bit past that tree line right there, where the swamp kind of stops. It goes out that way a little bit. Fills all this up. Chances that's a funeral. So we were walking right here on a normal day when water's back here. It'd probably be about my ankles. So that's sinking down the mud. I'm only seeing it drop like this a couple of times since I've been here. And we're back to the trail. Oh. Spider webs. This is a trail right here you can only use part-time throughout the year. If it's rain, all this floods up and it holds water. You have to walk all the way through here, walk around.